Welcome to the Edit Room with Maria Marauder, a channel dedicated to video editing for beginners. Today we're going to learn how to blur background in Final Cut Pro. By blurring the background or irrelevant elements in a video, you can direct the viewer's attention to a specific subject or area of interest. This technique is often used in interviews or vlogs to ensure that the focus remains on the person speaking or a particular object. Here's how we do it. Step 1. Choose your image and put it in your timeline. Step 2. Go to Effects, find Blur, click on Focus, and drag it on your clip. Step 3. Under Focus tool, we can adjust the parameters of the focused part of our clip, like the width and the height. Step 4. Keyframe the focus parameters. Starting from the first frame, keyframe center, width, and height by clicking the diamonds beside them. Continue to the next frame until the end where there is a big change in the movement of the object. That's it! No sweat! I hope you learned something valuable today about blurring backgrounds in Final Cut Pro. Please like and subscribe, send me your comments, and of course watch the other video tutorials in my channel. See you in the next Edit Room.